Excuse me, Aling Bibang. My mom said I should return the plate now.
Aling Bibang, can I please just wash my hands quickly?
So delicious. Aling Bebang?
Aling Bebang! Aling Bebang, my mom was asking if we could borrow some money.
Nobody can resist Lucky Me.
Lucky